Cece. It's Friday and we are going to Animal Kingdom. That's kind of a last minute thing. We're only going till what, 1?
Yeah.
1 o'clock because we got to go to the airport and fly home, and then we'll see you tonight. But we're gonna go, gonna have a fun time going through security with our luggage at Animal Kingdom, which I'm a little worried about because they check everything, so you pretty much have to unpack. I don't know, it'll be fine. But
It'll be fun.
we're on the way to get on the buses and go start our day at Animal Kingdom. We've seen Russell and Doug. There's Everest. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's people screaming.
Fix to be one of them.
Yeah, Mom's gonna ride this, but she usually doesn't ride.
Okay. I've tried this.
You would?
I just usually sit out with Cece.
I don't think there's any monkeys. Oh, yeah, there's one way up at the top there. He's like stretching out, just chilling. We're riding Everest.
Knobby Journey.
Yeah. It's the water one, right?
Like in between, I guess. I need it one click tighter.
Yeah, me
Then
too.
it'll be like cutting up.
Oh, now it's up the big one. Track is broke. Oh, going backwards. That was intense. Yeah. Oh, he's ripping the track off.
Look at that Yeti. We need that track.
Yeah. We're in trouble there. We're trying a pancake breakfast sandwich. So
It's like a McGriddle,
yeah, it's kind of like a
but it
McGriddle.
has jelly in it.
Yeah, it's got
I don't remember what kind of jelly.
pancake, sausage, egg, and jelly in it. We've had it before. It's
Like
really
guava
good.
jelly?
Like guava jelly?
Is it a guava jelly?
I think it was, yeah. So we're sitting at our table here on our what me and Mom call our breakfast date.
What screams in the background?
Yeah. Yeah, me and Mom were talking about there's very little people in the parks today. So it's been really nice, you know, have a lot of crowds and stuff like that. Oh, it looks like the Tiger Trail. Oh, are they letting people in? Oh, just opening.
Maybe it opens at 9.
Oh yeah, it is almost 9. So yeah, we did Everest. We're gonna do Dinosaur after that, but Dinosaur is down. So we're gonna go do the Tiger Trail and CC. I'm gonna have to look for your friend in the birds.
We're gonna open at 9 o'clock. We're gonna make sure everybody's got enough stuff. We're gonna stay up about 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Awesome. Let's go see if the monkeys are out.
The monkeys?
Yeah, the monkeys over here.
The monkeys?
While we're waiting for the Tiger Trail to open. Oh, I don't see them anywhere. Maybe they're still sleeping. I don't see any bats. No.
Now we got a couple of bats over here on your right hand side.
Oh, yeah, I see. Oh, bats. Oh. Oh, he's chilling.
I am in my waiting place for Jeffrey to come out of the birdhouse. Oh look, there he is. Here he comes. I don't know, can you see him? He's coming. I have a lot of pictures and time spent here while I wait on Jeffrey and Cece for the birds. So if you recognize this sign, that's why.
We're now on to Gorilla Falls because Rafiki's Planet is closed. Or not open yet. Ooh. Yeah. And this is where they usually have the okapi, but man, it is torn up in there. Yeah. We're just gonna look at some fish.
That's so cool. He's so big, isn't he? Oh my goodness, look.
He's eating a lettuce wrap. He's just chilling. Some more gorillas out here. Oh, he's watching.
When the fight breaks out, his job is to stop it.
Alright, we're going to see the Lion King show next. It's been a while since we've seen this one. Oh.
Been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the festival of the Lion King.
What a wonderful praise. Hakuna Matata.
Because they are pretty rare. The word hippopotamus means river horse. They are called this because while they can swim, hippos prefer to run or walk on the bottom of the bottom of the river floor. Alright, is the Coley Tunnel. These are that giraffe over on the left. Take a good look at the spots of the giraffe. You will notice that there are rough edges. This tells us that this is the Maasai breed. The Maasai giraffe. Flamingo. The largest of all flamingo breeds. They're also the lightest pink. They get the pink colors from the beta carotene or the shrimp that they eat. Go hand in hand. The more that you farm, the less you rely on the wildlife around you. Over in Africa, there was a problem where elephants were destroying crops and farmland.
Okay, we just finished the safari, and you could see a lot of like trees down and stuff in there. You can tell they're still doing a lot of cleanup. It'll probably take a while. We're headed over to Dinosaur.
It's back open.
Oh, it's getting bright. It opened back up, and we go back. And we missed our lightning lane for that earlier because it was closed all morning. And I'm throwing stuff on the ground. And so it opened back up, so we decided that we would rather do Dinosaur than Nabi River before we leave because, well, it's just better. All right, see you there.
All right, we made it to Dinosaur.
Here we go.
We're gonna go. I always thought Dinosaur was related to, like, every time I come here, I thought it was related to Jurassic Park. Maybe because it's both dinosaurs, yeah. And then I realized, I don't know, 6 months ago we were talking about it or something like that. And yeah, and realized that it's not based on Jurassic Park because that's like
There's a movie called Dinosaur.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, learned something new today.
It used to be like something Passport to Extinction or something like that.
Oh. But anyway, yeah, he does. But Jurassic Park is related to what's the other? Universal. Which I think they actually have a ride that's called Jurassic Park. Whole area? Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess that was a lot of movies they made. We can't figure out what the miles are on this little banner coming off of the Earth.
We'll have to look it up.
Yeah, we're going to have to look it up.
My guess is something with the asteroid.
Something with the asteroid, Charles, yes. I think you might be right.
I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the
friendly controller and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the Iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. Not our dino. Definitely not our dino.
mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would. I guess you made it back with you. I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything.
Lincoln, this looks like the nozzle you found in the woods when we went hiking like a year ago. And there's Moana. It looks like the one you have in your room, randomly on this bad boy. So maybe this is where it came from. Never realized there's a train track that runs in the gift shop for dinosaurs. Interesting. Let's see if it's all the way around over there. Goofy, good, watch out.
Looks like an original sign over here. It's looking pretty weathered and faded. It's cool. Okay, we got our bags out of our lockers over there. Got them on. Dad's got his on. Ready to go to the airport and come home and see y'all.
See you in a little bit.
Yep, bye. Okay, so we made it to the airport and I thought it would be like super busy and it is not. So we've got about an hour because we were prepared for it to be really busy. We got about an hour before we go through our reserve thing for security. And so we're gonna,
So we're gonna get some lunch.
we're gonna get some lunch. See what happens from there.
We're getting on the plane, coming to Houston.
You can't see us in the video, but you're fixing to see us in person.
In real life, yeah. We are on the road to
Fixing to pull in the driveway.
fixing to pull in the driveway, and then we'll see y'all